My chicks are 2.5 weeks old. And I have the yellow buff Orpingtons and the barred Plymouth rocks. They all hatched the same day. And the buff Orpingtons are a lot bigger than the barred rocks. The buff Orpingtons have a lot more feathers. But one thing I noticed is that the buff Orpingtons seem a little more friendly. They wanna be in my hands. The barred rocks are a little more independent. Hi. Hi, babies. You want to come here? Who wants to come here? Oh, you want to come here. Yeah. They're more cuddly. Oh, baby. Are you more cuddly? Yeah. Yeah, you're cuddly, baby. Hi, girl. Daisy, no. You can't have them. Hi, babies. Oh, there's my rooster. Hi, boy. No, don't peck me. No pecking. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, mister. Hi, baby. No, no, no. No pecking. No pecking. I used to feed them out of my hand. But their bites have gotten a lot stronger. So it hurts a little bit. Hi. Hi. You're 2.5 weeks old, huh? Oh, hi.